1962. A small newsroom in central Rome worked late into the night.
Journalists typed reports about politics, crime, and football scores. They drank espresso from tin cups and smoked too many cigarettes. At the far desk sat an old black typewriter, bought before the war. Its keys stuck sometimes, but no one dared replace it. Legend says it once belonged to a reporter who vanished during a fire. At first, the staff heard faint clicks when the room was empty. They blamed the wind or a loose ceiling fan. Then, pages began appearing in the morning, stories no one had written. Locals reported seeing a light burning in the window after midnight. One janitor claimed he heard it typing names he recognized, his own among them. The editor locked it in a cabinet, but the noise continued inside. A week later, the cabinet was found open and the typewriter gone. Stories tell it sometimes reappears in other offices across Italy. Always the same model, always typing alone. Folklore claims if you read what it writes, you'll see tomorrow's headline, and your name will be in it.